Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kobe with Gearosity, and this is the same day as from the previous video, but it's tonight. I am actually in the shop right now. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a video on basically how the shop is. I'm gonna raise the camera a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna do a video on the shop here. As you can see, it is in a mess, but I'm gonna have some time here to actually get in here. Gotta make room for the Impala, gotta get the ladies and Miata out of the way and over here, and try to get the Supra situated. Hopefully be able to get the motor out, or I don't know, preferably I would like to get her Miata in the garage at the house, and then, you know, move the Supra over here and have that whole room for the Impala, since we're gonna need it. The thing barely is gonna fit in here. I'm gonna probably have to move some of my toolboxes and whatnot for it to fit in. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little video while we're in here on taking this air compressor apart. I need to get that part that I was telling you about. I do not know the name of it, so bear with me. When I find the part tonight, I'll tell you. But I need to get that so I can get this air compressor working. My pops gave me one, but it's not, I just try to, you know, it's right there, and there it is. Yeah, and it's, I don't know what's wrong with it, but the one I am gonna work on is right here. It's a little Husky joint, and I get this better for you. And so this section over here, there's a fitting that goes in where the air chuck will go, so you can plug your line into, and that, sorry, I thought I heard someone outside. And the fitting broke off inside of the regulator. Yeah, like the regulator portion broke. So I'm gonna take this apart and hopefully get it out, because I'm limited on time right now since I have to leave and get the new piece. So when I get the Impala in here, we'll be able to sandblast the tank, because the tank is in good condition, or mint condition if you, for all you music lovers. And going to try to preserve the tank that is there, since, you know what I mean, we're trying to save some money. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all took apart and get back with you once I'm done. Okay, so got the last screw, and all it is some Phillips that are holding this on, and this is the last one here. It's good to have a magnetic screwdriver tip to take these out to catch them. But yeah, that's about it right there. It's like a little Phillips holding that together. Now this should separate. Oh no, I missed some over here, I'm pretty sure, unless it's on this side. Oh yeah. All right, so finally got everything disassembled. It was a pain. They have these little lockers in there. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, they go in and then another bolt goes through. And what I used was a 5/16 bit on my drill, and I stuck a flathead on one side to lock this in between the plastic, and I was able to get them out. And then obviously an abundance of little screws. Yeah, so these here basically just, they sit in, I think, on this side. But that's how you get that apart. Thing was awful. Let's see, get the rest of this off. Okay, yep, you see. Oh, okay, so it's actually some long 3 bolts like rod bolt, and those went on there. Oops. I'll thread these on before they get lost, just like that one fell. Okay, so this right here is the problem child that I've been referring to. I'll zoom this in. Right, this regulator system. So literally just this part here, which almost seems like it'll either spin off, but the piece broke into there, and I literally, I'm gonna see if I had a way to get a screwdriver in there to notch this hole, like this right here. Sorry. If I could like notch this section to get a screwdriver in and maybe spin that out, that'll eliminate a lot of headache. But I don't have anything besides angle grinder, which I guess I could use that. But I think if I can get it spun out, that would be a little bit easier instead of trying to chop this up. Now it looks like yeah, it's just basically I should be able to spin it out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I have to grab. It's a shame because I'm afraid that thing is just seized up. I don't even know if I don't even have anything to go in there and to like cut it. I guess I can try to use a drill bit. This is probably not a good idea, but alright. So I think it's in there. Man, yeah, she's loosening up a little bit. So we actually got her to break free. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And the next problem is getting this to rotate out. So I need to get this air pressure regulator out of the way. 15. There we go. Okay. Alright, so got this off. That should be enough to spin her out. Now, if I was wise, I would have found us. I probably don't even have anything that fits that. Imagine. It's probably a 20. Yep. 20 or 21 or something like that. Which, again, I don't have. Oops. some of these lines out of the way. Zoom you guys in. You're able to see. There we go. Well, I got these lines here, which yeah, push that one to the side. All right. Well, you guys get the point. Once I'm done, I will get back with you. All right. So, got this pretty much off. This thing's tight in there. I can imagine probably a few more turns. Now, I'm short. Yeah, I had like no other choice but to take it off like this. There we go. So, yeah, if you can see here, is this thing gonna focus? There we go. So this here it was stuck. It broke off in there. So I'm gonna order a new one of these and then get that installed. And then this should work. I'm gonna plug it in just to see if it turns on because I haven't used it in a while. Which you probably won't now because of the. Let's see. So she works. Awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna get that part. And then once I get that, I'll be able to get this thing up and running to be able to use the sandblaster. Now I'm going to show you the sandblaster real quick. Got this off of Marketplace for I think it was like 40 bucks, and they're like 100 and some change from Harbor Freight. So a good deal. Here's the other one. I gotta figure out how to get this fixed. Turned it on, either the compressor's dying, something's wrong with it, but almost knocked power out. But yeah, I need to get all this stuff here pretty much cleared, and then get the Miata over here. And once the motor gets out of the Supra, I'm gonna see if my mentor, if I could take it up to his house until I find a motor for it. And I'll tow it up there, and then I'll bring it back. I do have to get, at least before I do that, fix the doors, because the doors, they shut or they don't lock. So I believe these bear claws are messed up. So, but yeah, all right, I'm gonna go on ahead and get my tools put away. Clean shop is a good shop. And again, appreciate you guys watching, and until I see you guys again. And thank you again, Kobe from Gearosity.